Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicaid in Pennsylvania. Start by checking your household income and composition to see if you meet eligibility thresholds. Gather needed documents like photo ID, social security numbers, pay stubs, and proof of address before you start filling forms. Decide whether to apply online at the state portal or submit a paper application through your county assistance office for personal help. Gathering documents first makes application faster and avoids delays. Collect photo ID, social security numbers, recent pay stubs, 1099s, bank statements, and proof of address like a lease or utility bill. If applicable, include pregnancy confirmation, disability paperwork, or Medicare cards to streamline review. Scan or photograph items clearly if applying online, and keep originals handy if you need to verify information at a county office later. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep lunches neat and save time when managing health appointments and forms. They seal tight and stack easily. They make meal prep simple for busy weeks and clinic days. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Applying is straightforward when you follow a few simple steps. Visit the state portal and create an account, or download the PA paper application and complete all sections legibly. Upload or attach required documents, sign electronically or physically, and submit. Note any follow-up requests promptly and answer phone or mail from the agency quickly to prevent delays. Keep copies of everything you send for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.